Today, we're diving into a hot topic: WordPress in 2026. Is it still the king of CMS for developers? If you're a developer, a business owner, or just curious about the future of website building, stay tuned. WordPress launched in 2003, revolutionizing how websites are built with its user-friendly interface and open-source nature. Over the years, it has grown from a simple blogging platform to powering over 40% of all websites globally. Today, WordPress boasts a vast ecosystem. Themes, plugins, a huge community, and a flexible architecture that suits everything from blogs to enterprise sites. So, what's still making WordPress a top choice in 2026? Let's break it down. Ease of use and rapid development. Even with advanced features, WordPress remains accessible, allowing rapid deployment. Extensive ecosystem. Thousands of plugins and themes enable customization without starting from scratch. Strong community and support. Developers, designers, and agencies continue to innovate around WordPress. Headless and API-first capabilities. Modern WordPress setups leverage REST APIs and headless architectures for advanced web apps. Cost-effective and open source. No licensing fees, accessible for startups and SMBs. Of course, no platform is perfect. Here are some challenges WordPress faces today. Security concerns. Its popularity makes it a target for attacks, requiring vigilant maintenance. Performance and scalability. Large sites need optimization to handle high traffic. Complexity and bloat. Too many plugins can slow down sites and complicate updates. Emergence of new CMS and frameworks. Headless frameworks like Next.js, Nuxt.js, and Jamstack solutions are gaining traction. So, with all these factors, is WordPress still the king of CMS in 2026? It depends on your needs. For small to medium businesses, bloggers, and even some enterprise projects, WordPress offers unmatched flexibility and community support. However, for ultra-high performance, highly customized web applications, developers are increasingly turning to headless solutions, static site generators, and modern JavaScript frameworks. The introduction of full site editing, Gutenberg blocks, and better developer tools signal a platform that adapts to modern web standards. Plus, with ongoing security improvements and focus on performance, WordPress aims to stay relevant. So, is WordPress still the king of CMS in 2026? For many, yes. But the landscape is shifting, and developers need to stay adaptable. What do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe for more tech insights, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out.